Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. I respect to Mr. Muhammad Rizky Ramadan, maybe was METHM and friends. I'm part of. Let me introduce myself. I am Aurel Kamila Lezana Surendra, who will be the moderator in this afternoon presentation discussion. As for my colleague Evalina Eka Febrianti, which will present material about the financial crisis. Let's just start with the first section. Next. Next.
Okay, what is a financial crisis? The term financial crisis or financial turmoil is used for various situations with various institutions or financial assets that lose most of their values. The financial crisis is a situation in which the value of financial assets drops dramatically and quickly, resulting in large losses for the owner of the asset and had a negative impact on the economy as a whole. Next. Okay. Uh, the factor causing the financial crisis. Number one is excessive speculation. When the price of asset increases unnaturally due to speculation, such as property bubbles or stock market. When the bubbles break, the price of the asset falls dramatically. Number two, debt failure. When individuals, companies, or countries are unable to repay their debt, which can cause large losses for creditors and instability in the financial system. Number three, liquidity crisis. When a bank of financial institution cannot fulfill its short-term obligation due to lack of fresh or cash fund. Number four, financial interconnection. The the links between global financial institutions can accelerate the spread of crisis from one country to another. Number five, regulatory failure. Lack of effective supervision and regulation on financial market can result in irresponsible practice, which ultimately trigger a crisis. Number six is asset bubbles. Increased asset prices that are not supported by economic fundamentals that eventually break when these prices cannot be maintained anymore. Number seven, inappropriate monetary and fiscal policies. Incorrect government or central bank policies, such as interest rates that are too low or too high, so that it can trigger or worsen the financial crisis. Number eight, poor risk management. Lack of effective risk management in the financial sector, including to use of complex and risk financial instrument without full understanding. Number nine, banking failure, the inability of bank or other financial institution to fulfill their obligation after caused by a source of bad loans and withdrawal of large-scale fund by customer. And the last is external factors. External factors such as natural disaster, political crisis, or war can disrupt economic and financial stability. Next.
Okay. Types of financial crisis. The financial crisis is a country can be divided into several types which are as follow. One, banking crisis. Withdrawal of a massive balance by customer cause a bank to experience a bank runs. Bank runs, or also known as bank panics, is an event where customers withdraw balance simultaneously due to customer distrust of the bank. Number two, currency crisis. The currency crisis, or also called to devaluation crisis, is normal when the financial crisis or banking crisis occurs. For example, according to Common Sky et al. 198, a currency crisis occurs during the decline in the percentage of average exchange rate per month and the drop in the exchange rate of differs per month. Next, number three, international financial crisis. The crisis occurs when a country that is improving the exchange rate but is suddenly forced to change the exchange rate caused by a defect of account imbalance. So that is a called currency crisis or a payment balance. Next.
Okay, next sign of a financial crisis in a country. Number one is the decrease in currency value or devaluation. Devaluation, namely government action that are carried are suddenly and significantly to reduce the value of the country's currency to the currency of other countries. As a result, the price of goods from countries that experience devaluation becomes cheaper in the international market, while the price of goods from other countries becomes more expensive in the domestic market. Number two is high inflation. Increased price of goods and service that are very fast. Number three is increase in interest rate. The drastic increase in interest rates by central bank to stabilize the currency or control inflation. Number four is problems in the banking sector. Bankruptcy or liquidation of large withdrawal of funds by customers or bank run. Number five is high unemployment. Increased unemployment rate often accompanied by decreased industrial production. Next. Next is a characteristic of a financial crisis in a country. Number one is increase in interest rate. Okay. Interest rate can increase sharply in response to inflation or the effort of the central bank to stabilize the currency. Number two is impairment of asset value. There is a sharp decline in asset price, such as stock, property, and commodities. This can be caused by declining trust in the market or economy. Number three is failure of financial institution. Bank and other financial institutions experience liquidity or bankruptcy problems. This is often triggered by bad loans or failed risk investment. Number four is massive withdrawal of funds. Withdrawal, wait. Okay, massive withdrawal of funds. Customers and investors begin to withdraw their fund on a large scale from bank and capital markets due to distortion of financial stability. And number five, currency depreciation. The exchange rate of the country's currency decreased significantly. This currency Depreciation can cause inflation due to increased prices of important goods. Next.
Like unemployment, the crisis often causes companies to experience financial difficulties. Seven, crisis starts, loss of confidence in the financial and economic system by community and investor. Number eight, government intervention. The government often has to intervene to stabilize the economy, through bailout for financial institution, fiscal stimulus, or loose monetary policy. Number nine, global linkage. Crisis in one country can quickly spread to other country through international trade and financial relations. And the last, decrease in GDP. The country gross domestic product has de- has decreased significantly, reflecting the overall decline in the economic activity. Next, impact to the financial crisis on a country. The financial crisis of a country can have a variety of significant impacts, both the national and international level. Here are some the main impacts they might occur. Number one, economic recession, a sharp decline in the economic activity marked by a decline in the gross domestic. Number two, unemployment. Many companies may be forced to do mass layoffs due to financial difficulties, which result in an increase in unemployment. Number three, inflation or deflation. Depending on police response and economic condition, financial crisis can cause inflation. Number four, decrease government income. With a decrease in economic activity, income from tax and other sources will decrease, which can cause a greater budget deficit. And the last, decreasing foreign investment. The financial crisis can make foreign investors hesitate to invest in their capital in a country that is experience economic instability. Next.
Again, next effort made by government to overcome the financial crisis. Number one is economic stimulus. The government can provide economic stimulus in the form of fiscal incentive such as tax cuts, subsidies, or other stimulus program to encourage consum- consumer expenditure and company investment. Number two is monetary policy. The central bank can use monetary policy to respond to financial crisis, such as reducing interest rates to encourage loans and investment, or carry out quantitative easing by buying financial assets to increase market liquidity. Number three is market intervention. The government can conduct direct intervention in financial market to reduce volatility or provide trust to investor. This can include the purchase of shares, bond, or currencies to stabilize the market. Number four is international collaboration. The government can also cooperate with other countries and international institutions to handle the financial crisis together. True. True. of information exchange, police coordination, or financial assistance. Number 5 is social protection. Given that the financial crisis often has an impact on social welfare, the government can also strengthen social protection network, such as social assistance programs or unemployment insurance to help the affected individuals and families. Next. The last is countries experiencing a financial crisis. One of the countries that has experienced a financial crisis is Argentina. Argentina has experienced a number of serious financial crises in the past. One of the biggest financial crises experienced by Argentina occurred in the early 21 country in 2001. In 2001, Argentina experienced a severe economic crisis caused by a number of factors, including a high budget deficit, failure of fiscal and monetary policy, and a sharp decline in investor confidence. Effort to effort effort to overcome the crisis include currency devaluation, bank account freezing, a massive budget trimmer, and receiving financial assistance pack- package from the International Monetary Fund or IMF. Next. Okay.
Um, okay, thank you. That's our presentation. We hope that from this presentation, there will be knowledge that can be useful for all of us. As the moderator, I excuse myself if there are any mistakes in my behavior and words. We apologize. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Thank
Waalaikumsalam
you.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.